start over.
Okay,
We have a twin engine boat. You're standing in between two engines.
okay,
One's on the starboard, one's on the port.
okay,
You're going to change the oil.
okay,
We talked about the C-Kits fluid analysis. We talked about the reverse oil change system.
mhm,
Now you have to change the filter on the engine.
okay.
Go ahead and unscrew
There's
it.
two filters, right?
One on each engine.
Right.
You're standing in between the two of them.
Which one is this, the starboard or the port?
It
That's
doesn't
the
matter.
starboard. Go
Okay.
ahead and unscrew it.
All right,
Just grab it and unscrew it.
well, how do I know which way it goes?
Righty-tighty, lefty
Wait.
loosey.
Do I have to do anything to let the pressure off?
No,
or
no, the motor's turned off.
It's not gonna blow or anything?
You can
No,
hurt
you're
it.
good.
No.
You're good.
You
Just
can
turn it.
hurt
Just
it. It's
turn it.
okay.
Now
What's
unscrew
the
it.
trick?
No,
There's no trick. Go ahead and unscrew it.
And just don't let it drop.
Because it's full of hot oil.
Yeah.
Oh,
So unscrew it. With this, it's dry. So unscrew it.
I've never done this before.
Okay.
Yeah, well, it's changing the oil.
Guess what? Most people in this room
Okay.
haven't done it before
There
either.
you go. So you've taken the filter off, and then when you put the new filter on, you will put some brand new oil on that ring
Okay,
to lubricate it to screw it back up. Here's the fun part. That was the starboard engine. The port engine is on the other side.
okay, so you have to do it the opposite way.
Reach over and do it.
Oh,
So you can't really see what you're doing. That's the whole point. And the other part of it, you're a good girl. Look at you. She's totally feeling it. Most people don't realize that it's on an angle. And they're trying to shove it up there. Look at her.
There you go. You got
Awesome.
it.
Awesome,
Whoa.
awesome, awesome.
So look at this. I have a level, so when I screw things together, I can make them square. But I make this on an angle on purpose. Remember, your engine's on an angle. So that's square to the engine, or that's diagonal to the water line of the boat. The problem is you have a mental issue when you're trying to reach across the other side of the engine and it's an angle. You want it to go up straight, but it's got to go up this way, but you try to make it go up straight, and a lot of people have trouble. They have trouble, they have trouble, they have trouble, and they get mad.
okay.
You
got
just got to put it up
So
on
you
an
just
angle.
didn't ask the right person to do it
Right,
before.
I just
That's
did it
all.
Do we
by
have
feel.
somebody else that just wants to come screw with this?